Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. As requested, let's combine this with this. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. You have viewing options. You could be doing something else right now, but you're choosing to be here with me. Thank you. In two separate videos, we made these projects. We made a 7x7 card, and then we made a box, but the two were not made to go together. The purpose of the video was to show you how we can take those large 6x6 cut apart pages and use them in our projects. And several of you want to make the card, but you want to present it in a box, but you don't want the box to be as deep as this one, but you want to use that technique that we used when putting this one together. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you need a refresher on either one of these projects, I have them linked in the description box below. But let's go ahead and switch to the overhead camera so that I can show you how to make a box for this card. All right, y'all, so here's the box that we're going to be making for this card. When finished, this box is going to measure 7.5 by 7.5, and it'll be 1 1/8 of an inch deep. Perfect for this card, as well as any other little goodie that you might want to stick inside. So I'm going to show you how to make the box bottom. I'm not going to show you how to make the box top because the process is identical. The only thing that will change is the size of the paper. So here is what you're going to need to make your project. So to make the box bottom, you're going to need a piece that measures 11 7/8 by 11 7/8. To make the box top, you're going to need a piece of 12 by 12. That is the only difference, the size in the paper. So for the box bottom, again, it's 11 7/8 by 11 7/8. And for the box top, it is 12 by 12. Everything else that I'm about to do will be identical. So we're going to focus on making the box bottom because once you see how the box bottom is made, take that process and make the lid. So we have our piece that measures 11 7/8 by 11 7/8. We're going to score this at 1 1/8 and 2 1/4 on all four sides. So that's 1 1/8 and 2 1/4 on all four sides. This will be the same for the box top. We score the box top at 1 1/8 and 2 1/4 on all four sides. So it is identical to this. Remember, the only difference is the size. So after we have scored at 1 1/8 and 2 1/4 on all four sides, we're going to do a very good burnishing of those score marks. And y'all, we're going to put this box together using tape because it will be a lightweight box, and I am going to use tape. If my box was carrying any weight, I would use glue, but it's not, so I feel okay using tape. So now that we have folded and burnished all four sides of the box, we are going to have 3 corner pieces on all four sides of our project that we'll need to get rid of. And what you're doing here on the box bottom, you're going to do it on that 12 by 12 inch piece that you'll be using for the box top. We're going to go to the first score mark, angle right there, then go to that same cut you just made and cut straight across to remove these 2 pieces. Then we want to get rid of this square here. So we'll cut straight through the score mark and then we'll angle there to remove it. So you're going to have what looks like steps. We do this on all four sides. So I have X's here on these 3 corners. We can angle in here, go back to that cut and cut straight across to remove this piece. Then we want to get rid of this piece. So I'll cut straight down and then I'll angle there. We're going to do the same thing over here. So I'll go to the first score mark, angle in just a little bit, and now we want to remove these two pieces. Then I can angle in here and cut straight here to remove that piece. And then we do our last piece, so I'll angle in here and then I'll cut to remove these two squares, and then I'll angle there and I'll cut straight here. Y'all, you do the same thing when you're making the lid. I can't stress that enough. We're not going to make the lid because it's identical. So now we're simply going to do that fold that we did, and we do that by squeezing in like that, and your paper will want to force in, and we'll have this corner. We're going to place it down, and I'll just go inside with my fingernail and I'm going to crease that inside like that. And we do this on all four sides. So you just fold up, squeezing in. Now you can lay it on its side. Take your fingernail or bone folder, whichever one you need to use, and just go in and crease like that. And we do the same thing all the way around. And then we do our last one. So I'm just going to take it and we start squeezing in those sides like that. Then we can lay it down and get it stuck. And your piece will look like this on all four sides, and so will your lid when you make it. So now I'm just going to take my tape and I'm going to go ahead and place tape on these outside flaps, because remember, we can use tape on this box because we're really not asking this box to carry any real weight. We're going to have a card on the inside and maybe something else small on the inside. If this box was carrying something really heavy, I would use glue. So now I'm going to take my tape, and on the outside I'm just going to place some tape, and then here on the inside I'll place some tape, and now I can take this and place it down and we can bring it up like that. You can do the same thing over here. I'm going to go ahead and place my tape, and I'll place my tape here. Now I'll take it and put it down just like that. And then on this side, we just keep doing the same process. We add our tape. I'm going to go ahead and just do it over here. Add my tape. And now I can take this, bring it up like that. Take this piece and bring it up like that. And now I can fold over. And we just go on the inside and we stick it. And now you're going to have a nice reinforced box because we're doubling up the sidewalls with that fold over piece. So just go on the inside, get it nice and stuck, go all the way around, making sure that you have a good stick. And there's your box, and I'm going to go ahead and just take the card out of this one so you can see how it fits in this one. And then I'll just take my lid from that first box, and you can see that it fits. So your build process is going to be the same. The only difference is going to be your paper. 11 7/8 by 11 7/8 for the box bottom, and 12 by 12 for the box top, both scored at 1 1/8 and 2 1/4 on all four sides. And then you just follow that build process. So for those of you who wanted a box to be able to hold that 7 by 7 card and maybe sneak in this or that, here you go. We're not decorating it because I really wanted to show you how easy it was to build a reinforced box where we're not cutting out the tabs and gluing the tabs back to the box or taping the tabs back to the box after we've cut them. We took those tabs and we folded them in and we laid them down, and then we folded over that reinforced piece. So I hope that this has helped those of you who requested this box, and even if you didn't request it, I hope that it has helped you. If you have enjoyed this quick video, and I hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.